And we're back, fellow knife enthusiast. Today we'll be talking about the 4MAX Scout from Cold Steel. This is a higher end version of the 4MAX. They've added OS 10A as the steel for the blade with the rivalry handle. But we'll get into that in a second. Let's go ahead and show you what this monster looks like. As a close-up there. So you can tell the appearance of this knife is awesome. Fits your hand nicely. So you can see there. Show you in comparison how large it is to my hand. It's about 2 inches longer. So this is a nice offering from Cold Steel. Let's go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. Open, it's 10 inches overall. The blade length is 4. I mentioned it was OS 10A stainless. Stone wash finish with a drop point blade and a plain edge. Has a 6-inch handle. Tip up carry. Wide pocket clip. The weight of this baby is 10.1 ounce. The liner is titanium. That's something you don't find on Cold Steels very often. Handle material is G10. Our buddy Andrew Demko helped out with this one also. Model number 62QR. It is a lockback with the triad lock, which is Cold Steel's lockback. It is manual, of course. And this is best used for whatever you feel like using it for. That's what a large Cold Steel's for anyway. If you want to carry it every day and cut pizza pies with it, go ahead. Do your thing. Alright, so we'll show you how this works a little bit. Feel kind of silly doing this because if a gigantic 10-inch knife can't cut some paracord, then, oh, that was nice. I don't see any fraying on that paracord. Same thing there. Like that, this has got a nice edge on it. We'll bring some cardboard over for our cardboard warriors and show you that you can see it cuts well right into my board. Whoops, didn't get that. That's 2 in a row. I'm starting to embarrass myself. We'll just throw them away. Try again. There we go. Well, kinda. So it doesn't pick up cardboard well. It's still pretty sharp. It's actually really sharp. As you can tell, even with the blade being as large as it is, it slices right down the cardboard instead of forcing its way down. I could probably feather this stuff right off there. Yeah, that's a nice blade. I really like this one. I'm getting one of these for my collection. I don't normally say that so soon. I give it some time, but not today. I think I have a use for it already. So once again, this is the Cold Steel 4MAX Scout, upgraded version of the 4MAX. Has the OS 10A steel, which I really like. Cold Steel does a nice, has always used OS 8 and OS 10 with their knives, and the ones that they have always been my favorites. Of course, it has a triad lock, rivalry handle. Alright, so for those of you watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. Where else can you get this informative information? If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and join the other 2,000 or 3,000 people who have, and enter our giveaways each week. You may find one of these on there. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.